going? Today we're going to learn how to use play.ht to create a voice clone. So you sign up. This is free. You can always upgrade if you want more, but to do one, it's free. So what you want to do is upload a high quality audio sample. So let's get one. Here's what we do. So we're going to use Albert Einstein. So here's a speech of just him. It's in English. So we're going to copy this. Control C. We're going to go with this ytmp3s.mu. So YouTube to MP3 converter. So you paste that, Control V into there, and it will convert that into that. Alright, and so you just want to download it once it's back on. Alright, okay, Albert Einstein says MP3. Okay, perfect. So you got that now. So then you have to go back to this. Call this Einstein. Upload. Einstein. Alright, and then you don't need to do a description. It does pretty well on its own. You can, but you don't need to. Alright, so creating cloning. Alright, so let's hear what it sounds like. That's the enhanced version. Here's normal. So that would be like normal. Um, yeah, we'll go enhance this time for our purposes. Alright, so then we got Einstein. So then we're going to create a new file. Sure, we'll go with that. Okay, so then I had ChatGPT create a quick little poem about Einstein liking Bitcoin. So go ahead and copy that. Control C, Control V. Hold on a sec. Okay, I had to type it into Word and put it all as one thing. All right, so then generate speech. Here it goes. It only takes a couple seconds. All right, and it's ready to go. Let's see what it sounds like. And we have Sarah. So we screwed up here. All right, so check this out. We gotta go back. We gotta use our person. Change voice. Oh. All right, there we go. We gotta get Einstein in there. There we go. All right, perfect. All right, generate speech. So as you can see, they had a bunch of pre-made ones. Men, women, old, young, accents. All right, let's try it again with hopefully Einstein this time. All right, not bad, not bad. All right, so go ahead and download that. And download it into there, so it's a WAV file. All right, and on the next video, if we click on the next video, I will show you how to create a talking picture of Einstein. Thanks.